Okay, plans changed. There will be 3 each day, and it's gonna be the 3rd one of the day. I promise this is gonna be the last one. But we have a special guest besides the X-Wing. R2D2! Oh, he's right here. R2D2 and the X-Wing and C3PO. But, yeah. So, I'm gonna have to be holding this ramp for a reason of knowledge. Yeah. That's why, reason of knowledge. So, I'll be having the camera right there. And we have a special guest. It's the 3-wheel truck sort of thing that I will be holding. Sorry. Oh, I think we got it. Okay, we're fine. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to hold it. I'm gonna have to eat it. Okay. Here comes the cars. It's hard to do 3 cars at once. It's gonna be hard to do 4. Let's see who's gonna win. But this goes all the way off the deck into the grass too. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that was a complete fail. So we're gonna have to do them individually if they all crash at once. I don't know if you guys saw that, but they all crash into each other on the ramp. So I'm gonna do one at a time. First comes C3PO. See how far he goes. He completely crashed. X-Wing. He's the farthest. The new guy. He went pretty far. And R2D2. R2D2 still last. I see why the X-Wing would crash because it has this flat part. And once it gets down, it will just completely wipe out. I don't see the R2D2 doing that too much. C3PO, I see because it has that edged piece. And then this fella, I don't know why. I think, oh, that's the technique. Oh, wait. Did I do it backwards? Okay, well anyways, it's the way of the wheels. Because once it goes down, it hits the wheels and not the front, so we just keep going. See? Even though it can crash, it's still laying back. Okay guys, that's the end of this race. Oh, the rule was that special guest will be included if he was 1st or 2nd. I forgot to tell you guys. And he's now included, so we have 4 people doing the race. And yeah, you know my intro, so bye.